got a solution for you to track in-classroom work-based learning activities that will also produce a report for you that states are looking for when they're thinking of the Perkins 5 funding. So what makes this nice and easy is that we integrate with your student information system and we pull in your student info and also all their classes as well. So that way when a teacher goes on, all the teacher has to do is filter for their section. And then hit record participation. Here then they'll put in the details of the WBL activity, and these fields are aligned with your reporting needs. So that way at the end of the day, when you need to spit out a report that has each of these pieces of information, the teacher will have already entered it. And the teacher only has to enter it one time and then choose the students who were there that day. And you'll see this is a small set of students. This is not going to be them searching through every student in the system or even every student that they teach. It'll just be every student who is registered in that section. And then they'll just add the information for that particular experience, hit record participation, and then it saves to all the students and it saves for that class, and that will take care of your reporting needs. Now, the other thing that is nice that you've got here is you can see, and teachers can also see, any partners working with your district or your region. And so these records have just key pertinent information about those partners. And you can keep other information on them as well. It's really up to you. We're really flexible on adding pieces of data here that you'd like to track, just anything that's relevant about those partners. Now, if you also are planning WBL events ahead of time, let's say, and it's not just a teacher entering that information on the fly, we've got your WBL opportunities tracked here and also with your approval process. Now, the next thing I'll show you is a summary report. So this is a summary report of the activities that are going on. And so this is that high level. The Perkins level will be the student level, but this is a nice high level analysis of what's going on, which students are getting the most WBL experiences and what type, so that you can, make any changes or adjustments as you see fit. All right, in this particular site, we've got Oregon's list of current IRCs. This may also be relevant for you in your state as well, so we can keep track of those too. Now, in addition to this, we also have all of our regular integrations. So again, our different ways of getting data from your student information system into Grouptrail, whether it's Clever, OneRoster, or SFTP. We also can pull more information from Google Sheets. So for example, if you were doing a career interest inventory all year long already with Google Forms, we can pull that information in from Sheets. We could also just build that out in our system as well. But we can also export data into Google Sheets for some nice reports because they've got some good tools. And then we've got Box for file sharing if that's something that seems useful to you. So we also have a couple other models that might be useful as well. So your internship application and onboarding, also sending out and collecting e-signature forms for things like training agreements, and also sign up for WBL activities that are happening outside the classroom that do require sign up. So check out the links to see what those look like as well.